Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to scan a books on Speechify. Now to scan a physical book and have it read aloud on Speechify, you can simply use the option known as OCR or optical character recognition, which is the feature in Speechify mobile app. Now this feature allows you to scan the pages of the physical book, convert them into the readable text and have them read aloud to you. Now to do so, you need to simply install the Speechify app on a device. So if you have not install it from App Store or Play Store on the device, and after that simply open the Speechify app. So this is the homepage of Speechify, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as at the very center of the screen. So click on the option of plus, and under this plus page here you'll see the option of scan text. So click on it, and after scanning the text you just need to keep all the four corners of the page inside this section. So if you have a book with you, simply click the book, keep the book like this, and you will see the option of scan pages or scan books. So you just need to click on the option of that, and you may also scan two pages at one time. So if you want to scan two pages at one time, you just need to keep your phone like this, and you may simply scan the pages of the book like this. And after scanning all of the pages, you just need to click on the shadow like icon. So click on it, and once the pages have all been scanned, click on the option of next at the very bottom right of the screen, and you may also crop the images if there is any corner available. So after doing all of it, you click on the option of listen at the very top right, and from here you may also change the text or voice of the person. So click on the option of voice at the very bottom left of the screen, and if you want to change the speed, click on the option of speed like icon at the very bottom right, and you may simply increase or decrease the speed like this. So that's it. That's how you can scan the books to read on Speechify. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.